Hello and welcome. Today we'll be setting up a goal-based shipping discount and creating our progress bar promotion. First, we will set up the promotion name as per our preference. Next, we have two options for the discount, a percentage or a fixed amount. You can choose based on your store's requirement. For the progress type, we have four options: cart subtotal, cart quantity, product subtotal, or product quantity. For this demonstration, we'll choose the cart subtotal. The discount will be applied based on the cart subtotal, either before or after the discount amount. Please note, progress is calculated based on the item price after all discounts are applied. Your progress may adjust if discounts are added or removed from your cart. Now, let's set up three goals. For this demonstration, I'll set up a 100% shipping discount if the cart subtotal is at least 200. You can customize the heading and the text as per your preference. Make sure to check the discount combinations if you have any other Shopify discounts running to ensure they are combined and working properly. You can also customize the schedule setting as per your requirement or make it run continuously. On the right side, you'll see the widget preview. This is how the widget will appear on your product and cart page. You can decide where you want the widget to appear, either on the cart page or the product page. You can customize the overall look of this widget by hitting Customize. You have two options, the cart page and the product page. You can customize the spacing, font size and color, goal text size, icon size, and the color as per your requirement. Once you're done, hit Save. Now, let's test it on our store. After saving, we go to our store and select a product. You'll notice the goal-based bar is now visible. As soon as I add one quantity to the cart, the discount is unlocked. We'll then proceed to checkout. Once we reach the checkout, we see that the shipping is now free because we have reached our third goal of giving a 100% discount. That's how the goal-based shipping discount works. If you have any further queries, feel free to ask. Thank you.